Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting directly. Set the bottle upright on a towel and clear space. Grip the plastic collar firmly and pull the cap straight up. If it resists, twist a quarter turn while pulling to release tabs. Doing this immediately exposes the spray head assembly so you can access the internal top. You need gloves if you have fragrance sensitivity because oils may contact skin. Once the cap is off, inspect for locking clips. This tells you whether the next step needs a tool or only finger pressure. You'll now take apart the spray head to separate the top from the dip tube. First, depress the actuator gently to observe which direction internal parts move. This shows where clips hold. Then wedge a thin flat tool or fingernail under the seam and pry upward with steady, even pressure. Work around the perimeter to avoid snapping one side. Keep each tiny spring, pin, or gasket on a towel in order. This saves time when putting it back. Make sure not to kink the dip tube as you free it. You're at the finish line. Lift the top straight up once clips are free, because twisting can shear plastic. Rinse and clean components in warm soapy water to remove residue. Replace any cracked seals so spray function stays reliable. Reassemble by aligning tabs and pressing evenly. Test the mechanism a few times before use. If the top won't budge, soak the bottle neck in warm water for 5 to 10 minutes to loosen hardened residue, then retry. If parts break, swap with compatible replacement pieces to avoid leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.